Hi, today I'll be making sweet potato pie. On the counter I have my freshly reaped potatoes which I'll be using. First I'm going to remove the peel from the potatoes. I'll discard these afterwards. Now, there are different varieties of sweet potato. You have the white ones, you have the yellow ones, and you have those that are purple. As you can see, the inside, these are white. This is the white variety. Potatoes are high in carotene, vitamin C, and potassium. Now the potatoes have been peeled, I'm going to wash, chop, and grind. Now the potato is ready, so we'll put all the ingredients together for baking our pie, and we'll add water to it to make a mixture. So I'm mixing in the water. Then I'll add some grated coconut, which I did previously. And mix again. Then we'll add the sugar, some brown sugar, and mix. I'm going to add a beaten egg, and this is optional. A little flour for binding. A little butter for moistening. We mix again. Then we'll now add some cinnamon and nutmeg and some vanilla essence. This is now ready to go in the oven. We'll now place the mixture in our greased dish. And place in the oven to bake. And the oven is at 375 degrees, and we'll let it bake for about an hour and a half. This is medium heat. Our pie is finally done, and we'll remove from the oven. We'll allow to cool, and then you can have a taste with us.